So today we will be dealing with the part C section. The topic is hemochromatosis. You can collect the questions from me. So here we have one student with us, Manju, and she will be helping us in this reading section. Okay, so the first question is, according to the paragraph, hemochromatosis occurs due to the reason for the hemochromatosis.
Okay.
So how you found out the answer?
Hemochromatosis occurs due to this already saying in the beginning. Hemochromatosis is the most common form of iron overload disease. Overload means the excess of iron. Excess, okay. Overload. We can see the overload and the excess. See the like a synonym.
Okay.
So that's the reason I choose an excess of iron in the blood.
Okay, so answer is correct, only 7A. An excess overload, synonym is overload, excess. A decrease in the quantity of iron in the, alcoholism, it's not alcoholism because it's part of all these things. That's the reason why we avoided alcoholism. You can tell me.
Yes. Yeah. It's mentioned already. That is only secondary hemochromatosis. Only mentioning that one. There is the primary hemochromatosis also. That one is it's mentioned inherited disease.
Yes.
The common. It's not mentioned the particular primary or secondary. So only this mentioned is hemochromatosis occurs, only mention that one. Is it not mentioned primary or secondary? That's the reason iron overload disease.
Okay. Why you, is there any reason why you avoided B?
Decrease the quantity of. It's mentioned decrease in the quantity of iron in the blood. Because see, it's coming the decrease blood. The anemia means he also decrease, but it's mentioned only the secondary hemochromatosis.
Okay. So it's because of this reason overload you have taken the material. So 1 second. Okay, so as Manju explained, this is the teacher's trainer's material, and there we have shown in the first sentence only, so that is the highlighted portion. The answer will be correct based on that. So now we will be moving on to the next question. Okay, did you get the answer?
Yeah, the answer is B. I will tell you it is more common. Okay.
So answer is B.
Yes.
So in one of the forms of hemochromatosis, which one of the following conditions occurs? Okay, why you have taken that?
And I will tell you it can be more fatal as the quantity of the iron increases more and more. Yeah. It's mentioned here the redundant iron builds up in the body, organs and damage them.
Which sentence?
It's the third sentence. It is the following.
Juvenile hemochromatosis.
Yeah, caused by the body to absorb, store too much iron. Okay.
Okay.
So it's mentioned here, body absorb too much iron. So here the body absorbs
Severe
and
iron.
health issues, normal diet to the people. Yeah. So it's mentioned without treatment the disease can cause liver, heart, and pancreas to fail.
Okay.
Then yeah, here already there is in paragraph 1 also is mentioned here the neonatal form causes rapid iron buildups in a baby's liver that can lead to death. Okay,
Mm-mm.
so death means more the another form of fetal more
Okay.
morbidity and fetal okay, this is equal to death also, so that's my concept, so I choose this one.
Okay, your answer is correct because I will show the materials to you. See, the answer of 8 questions start from this neonatal form, causes and rapid. That sentence only.
Yes.
Okay, here in the question, anemic people are more prone to. Okay, first let's see the option. Then are more prone to hemochromatosis. One sentence can be more fatal. The fatal here from the death, from the we will
Yes.
can lead to death.
Mm.
It can be more fatal as the quantity of iron increase, iron overload, that is quantity of iron increases more and more. So that is overload. It can be more fatal. Then they are talking anemic people are more prone to hemochromatosis.
No, here already in the question also mentioned which one of the following conditions occurs, like that which condition one in one of the forms
Okay.
it's like that they are mentioning which condition occurs like that way, so that
Okay.
also is I
Occurs.
need to check.
Okay. What is lead to? Occurs means
Yes,
lead to. Okay.
yeah.
Now moving on to the third question. So we got that
Okay.
eighth one also, ninth one. So it's according to
And
paragraph 2. So this is the
yes.
paragraph 2.
Yes, okay. Patient's body shows
The patient's
unusual
body shows unusual capabilities of, okay, unusual capabilities.
unusual means no natural way,
Yes.
because the body has no natural way. Unusual,
Mm-mm.
okay, over the time they absorb and keep in their body between 5 to 20 times more than the body may be in quest of,
Mm-mm.
because the body has no natural way to rid itself of the unwanted and superfluous iron.
Yes.
So that's the reason retaining 20 times more than the iron required.
Okay, from there only we will have taken the answer.
Yes.
Okay, so it's like this is something unusual which talks about capabilities also. Now, why you avoided other reasons? Any reasons?
See, I also got the confusion regarding the absorption of storage of iron, but it's not mentioned any unusual capability. Shows
Which
unu-
option? Which option?
C, absorption and storage of iron. So it's mentioning the natural absorption of storage of iron, but it's in the question they are mentioning shows unusual capabilities of the patient's body.
Okay.
So this also
Regarding storage, they are
we can
talking.
avoid.
Okay. Regarding storage, they are talking over here, but it's like they are only telling liver, heart, and all. There is nothing additional storage, anything capabilities they are not mentioning. So wherever
Yes.
storing or storage has been mentioned, that option will be wrong. Now,
Yeah.
see, like that we can strike and absorbing iron from food eaten. So it's like nothing related to. Okay, why you
Yeah,
avoided that?
there is no, which mean normal dietary requirements. No, they are not mentioning related to that question actually. Healthy
Okay.
people usually take in the 10 percentage of iron but
Something
it's
unusual
up,
has not been
yeah,
expressed.
not, yeah, it's
So
not
that's the
mentioned.
reason we will be avoiding that. Now 10th.
Yes.
Did you get the answer?
The 10 is mentioned to, yeah, my answer is C, rid of. The
Okay.
cause someone or something to be free. Something an unpleasant or harmful thing. So it's already here. Natural to rid
Mm-mm.
itself unwanted. Okay. So rid of means it's away from, free from the
Okay.
thing.
Okay, I have also taken similar way. I actually haven't read this passage itself. I know this meaning, so it's like eliminate harmful things,
Yeah.
free from. So I directly from since I know the meaning, and this meaning is excess, superfluous. That meaning which means
Yes.
excess, so it's not the option. Free from, something which has to be free from. Grips on means
Mm.
hold on, and free from clutches,
Yes.
no, because students might fall for this, because free over there, they won't be giving simple answers like that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
so we got the answer. Okay, 11th.
According to the paragraph 3, the affected people,
Okay,
the answer is it's mentioned may show the answer is A, may show the presence of defective genes from both the parents.
okay,
It's
before,
mentioned like that.
okay. So
So the
before that, let me explain the options. This is from
okay.
the defective genes from both the parents. It's from a single parent. Now absorbing and retaining. Now it's only let's read first. Now you can tell me how you find out this.
It's mentioned here the two known mutations of HFE are C28-2Y and H63D. This one most important because of it, which is can lead to disturbance in taking the in people who inherit C2A2Y from both parents. It's mentioned here
Okay.
from both parents, the body absorbs too much iron and hemochromatosis can result. So, this mention for the affected people, it can be from both genes. For
Okay.
the yeah. So may take the defective means be mentioning single parent only, but here not mentioning anything single. There is something one parent, but those who inherit defective gene from only one parent are carriers for the disease. It's
Okay.
not mentioning can result.
Okay, here carriers. Carriers means those who have. It's not they are
Yeah,
suffering. They are only carrying the disease.
yeah, yes.
So this one parent. That's okay. Here it's starting in peoples who inherit.
Mm.
So it's starting actually from here in people who inherit. So actually the question is affected people. So
Yeah,
and before that, whatever they are discussing over here, it's not related to people. From
yes.
here only they are starting with people, and those also meaning is people only. So we have to
Mm.
focus on that sentence. Now again from here they are not discussing anything about the people. They are
Yeah.
giving general statements. So we have to focus here. In people who inherit C2A2 from both parents, it should be both parents. So it could be this one.
Yes, only A.
Okay.
Show the
So
presence of
show the presence of only. Okay.
that's not mentioning like that. No, the two known mutations like that only mentioning, but no, nothing really
Okay, 1 second.
show the presence of only.
Only, that only, let's see any. Okay, from here, it's they are not mentioning that only thing, that's why we avoid that. Now moving on to the next
Yes.
question.
Which in the paragraph 3 is closet defect.
Paragraph 3.
Paragraph 3. Hereditary inheritance.
For me, I haven't read the passage, so I know the meaning of flawless means without any defect. So flaw means it could be defect. Like that, I found out the answer. How
Yeah.
how you got the answer?
The same way only. It's mentioned in the second, in the okay, the first, the okay first sentence. It mentioned like the hereditary hemochromatosis is mainly caused by a drawback, if a flaw in a gene called HFE, which helps regulate the amount of iron absorbed from food. Means if there is no defect for that gene.
Okay, which
Because
sentence?
the first sentence of the paragraph 3.
Okay, hereditary comorbidities is one of the most common genetic disorders in the United States. Is that one?
Yeah, mainly caused by a drawback.
Mm-mm.
Where is that? Paragraph 3.
Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes. Okay. But this one mentioned in the paragraph 3, no? Is one of the most common.
Actually, I haven't read that. I just know the meaning, so I went with the meaning. So it will
Yeah,
be in
it's
the
mentioned in the first
par-
line. It's there is mutations also and the inheritance also inheritance also mentioned here, means hereditary, and in the taking the that already all the meanings are given here in the paragraph 3.
1 second.
Just to go see the
1, 2,
2,
here.
the 3. Yes,
Yeah.
hereditary
Mm-mm.
hemochromatosis is mainly caused by a drawback, a flaw in a gene called HFE. There is
Okay.
mentioned like that. Okay. So
Okay.
which helps regulate that means that normal gene regulate the amount of iron absorbed from the food. It already mentioned it's a flaw. And the two known mutations of HFE, mutations means this one, what we can say, spreading like that. Yeah, this one is multiplying, no? The
Gene mutation,
mutation.
change, alteration, like that. Okay, so anyway, it's I think that will be
Yeah.
easy. So paragraph 4 deals with
Deals with. More deals with the paragraph 4 deals more with the.
actually the answer which showed over here is that see entire in the highlighted teacher's guide it will be entire paragraph. So we won't be getting any clue over there.
Yes, more with the 4 deals.
So it's like deals more with in this case entire paragraph.
Hmm.
So Which one you got? Is it correct for you?
Actually, I didn't get that one.
Okay. So it's fine. So it's about how common it is in other countries. About hereditary chromatosis, answer 13C. The risk factors of risk factors, symptoms and diagnosis. So it is one of the most common. So they are talking about one of the most common genetic disorders here over here. Now moving on. Again they are saying, okay, one time they told common, another time they told often. Okay. Then they are talking about then some values they are talking about. Further details they are going to give the statistics, everything. Okay, statistics, that is related to numerical values. Then it's related to they are talking about hemochromatosis also. That value, everything whole will be having, whether it is Americans, Asians, everything, all details they are giving over there. So
So there is mentioned here part C, no, hereditary.
Yes.
No, the answer is C, no.
Yes.
Yeah, it's mentioned although both men and women can inherit the gene defect, men are more likely than women to be. It's mentioned only after all the conditions they are mentioning. Also at the end they are telling inherit the gene defect. So that means hereditary hemochromatosis.
Okay, with hereditary. So this is one way. So how I found is that, see, it's like common they have said. So it's tricky that we fall for this. But here they started with hereditary chromatosis. So it will be different for each person how they will be finding out the answer. They started with hereditary hemochromatosis over here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, they started with hereditary chromatosis. This means again it is hereditary chromatosis. So then that main sentence, it's not about talking about what is common, one of the most common genetic disorders. It's mainly they are starting with hereditary, and again each sentence is coming. So here they are talking mainly about some values. Now they generalize hemochromatosis.
Yeah, it's mentioned deals more with. So they are more dealing with this one, hereditary hemochromatosis. The question, compare with the question. This fourth paragraph is giving more importance.
Which line? Please look at
compare with the question. Paragraph 4 deals more with. The question is like that.
Yes, that is more with. That's the reason, because they are already talking about how often it's happening. But it started with hereditary chromatosis. It's not, instead of chromatosis, hemochromatosis, they started with hereditary. It means again it is explaining hereditary hemochromatosis only. Now some values also they have given, but rather than it's like specifically they haven't mentioned anything. Then at the end they went for generalized hemochromatosis.
Yes.
Okay, so here also they are talking about hereditary hemochromatosis. So
yes,
easily we can find out that 3 places they are talking about the hemochromatosis.
Yes.
Okay, 14. Major symptom. Okay, joint pain, brain. Here this answer is comparatively easy. Most common complaint is joint pain. There are other common symptoms include, but that is not most common. So that is the major thing. Okay, now moving on to, that is, let me see. That is text 2 question, right?
Yes.
1 second.